Before you view our video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tapping the bell icon so that you will be the first to know when we post new videos.
One single glass of this drink before sleeping will help you remove all the fat you've had in you from the previous day. If you want to lose weight, however you just do not have sufficient time for routine training, this incredible beverage can do wonders for your waistline. In addition, it is really helpful for detoxing and elimination of the excess of waste from your body. It is a great boost of energy which not only improves your health, however also your frame of mind. Last, however not least, this beverage enhances your metabolism, thus promoting weight reduction. The very best thing is that it is completely healthy and offers you the desired results in an extremely short time. You need 1/2 a lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, a bunch of parsley, 1/3 of a cup of water. Preparation: mix all the active ingredients utilizing a food processor until you get a homogeneous mix. Consume this beneficial drink every night prior to you go to bed. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe to my channel. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.